So hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to make a paper airplane that can transform into 3 different paper airplanes. So today we are going to be focusing on paper airplane like this. It might not look like it can transform, but the first way to transform it is pretty simple. So you see these wings, you just flip them upside down like that, and then you turn it, and then boom, you got a plane. And then you put for the second way, you put the wings back, you open it up like that, you fold those wings in, you fold these wings in, I think, and then you put them together, and then you got another one. So here is how you make it. So first you fold these, so you got something like that. Then you unfold them, fold it like that, and then same with the other side. Then you fold it like that, same with the other side too. Then you fold it, and then you fold both sides. Then you fold it like that. You get onto the wings. And then you go back in, and then you have something like that. So then you fold it like that, and then you fold that, and then same with the other side. And then you put it in the middle, and then you take some scissors, you chop these bits off, and then there, you got it. So let's go test it down the stairs.